guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm so excited to have you here. If you're new here, my name is Bria Monet. I'm a Pisces. I live in Los Angeles, and I just started this, YouTube life. So on here we have fun, we have a little adventure, we just do random things, see where the day takes us. So I hope you guys enjoy my YouTube vlog. This is the weekly one. This one is art in different forms, many other things that I'm doing as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you like, what you want to see more of, and yes, I hope you guys just enjoy.
How many, is this your first time? Oh, so that's not how that.
is H&M. I got 2 pairs of shoes. I got another pair of shoes. I got another pair of shoes too that are on their way. So cute. These, I saw these in a store. I tried on the 6s, but they were, I'm usually a size 8, but I tried on the 6s and they were, my heel was hanging off a little bit, so I don't really like that. So I got these. So cute. Yes. So I love the little loafer studs. Cute with some pants. Cute to just throw on with some shorts or a dress. Yeah. And then these also like little slide loafers. Little print. Y'all remember I got this print last time. But these flats. Cute little flats. So yeah. Flats, flats, flats. Yeah, both were about, well, this one I think was 30 something. The other ones were 40 something, but yes. So I'm gonna try those on, see how they look. Hopefully they look good. My mom had got them. And my favorite. I have been waiting for these to come, you guys. Like waiting. Waiting for these to come. I'm literally probably gonna cry. They're so beautiful. Like these, I have wanted these for so long. They're from Verdena. Y'all. They're jeans, but a skirt in the back. Look at that. Do you see? Jeans in the front, skirt in the back. Yeah, I'm gonna try those on. Definitely gonna try those. Alright, let's see what this is giving. Oh, they did give me a sample. Okay. Intenso. Scuro, which is my double espresso. Diabolito, which is 1 espresso. And then a sample. Melozio. I haven't had Melozio in a very long time. Yes. So those are my unboxings. Can I touch it? Am I gonna win it? Oh. Woo. Woo. That's it. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go that. I'm gonna go this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, the performance is over. Please continue to follow the exhibition route.
That was quick. All right, guys. Man, that was quick. Where's my purse? Oh, it's right there. All right. So, yeah, about to go. I'm about to go to this finery event. Me and Kristen. This is the outfit. I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but I don't think you can see the whole thing. But this is the jacket, and then I have on cute little cargo pants. Yeah, and then you can even see my shoes, which guys, I'm gonna try and get a picture for you guys later. I'm wearing these because it was raining out, and it's a little chilly out in LA today, so yeah. Look at the video of the whole blender. And then this is the purse. For the perfume, it is, what is this? Zara Sweet Temptation. But yes, so this is the fit. I think it's cute. Let's go. Let's go to the event, y'all. Yeah. So this is it. My rings. This is the hand. Oh, I can just do it like this. I can't see, it's yellow, so perfect. Ooh, okay. Okay. She's cute. Okay. I'm liking it. I don't want to hike up my shoe a little bit. I'm excited about my shoe. Okay, we'll be there. We'll be fine. Kind of want to change it, but I don't know. Keep it. I'll see.
But that's what I was. When I get the slice, I'm more than likely just gonna do the beignets, the listening, the gumbo, and the cornbread.
That's all.
And that's it. They had a spot like this over on Hollywood next to what's his name? Nas's restaurant.
Oh my gosh, I haven't been there in years. Like since it first opened.
I was like, what? I got pizza by the slice. And it was the same situation where it was a wait time, so I went.
That was a good pick.
It was.
A little appetizer.
Girl.
Pizza.
Yeah, they was popping up in there.
Oh, you guys, by the way, I did a Ross haul. I'm going to show you everything that I got. I'm going to do a try on as well. I'll insert the video with YouTube as well. So this is the first things first. I spent a total of $100, I believe, probably like 90, but 100. I got a bunch of nice, cute spring, summer items and layerable items as well. So let's get into it. Okay, first things first, maxi bubble skirt, pinstripe, drawstring at the top. She's super cute. And then the bubbled hem at the bottom. This one I believe was $11. So that was that. Next is another maxi bubble skirt. This one's a nude. It has this fabric at the top that will suck me right in at the top, you know, get me all snatched how I like it. And also bubble maxi skirt as well. This one I believe was $16. And then I got a bunch of tops. All my tops were $8. So it was this brown one. They all have that double contouring, like Skims like feel to it. So I got this. Another chocolate shirt. This one has a cute little scarf. Oh, I'm loving the scarf look this year. I'm not really a one-shoulder girl, but chocolate, the colors you will definitely see me in the next like season or so, chocolate, canary yellow, baby blue. Which reminds me, I did get a baby blue bodysuit square neck. You'll see it in my try-on video. I just forgot to, I had already put it up, so yeah, that and the sweatpants that I paired it with in the try-on video, I just put them up already. But along with that brown top from the first one, I got that same shirt in white and in black because I don't have, because I don't have many basics like this, so I definitely wanted to get some of those. So I got it in black and I got it in white. So that's it for my try-on haul. But yes, thank you guys so much for tuning into my YouTube. I hope you enjoy. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Until our next video, guys. I'm so excited, guys. We're being consistent. We're being consistent. And we're trying our best, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you love all the things. And have a beautiful day. Till next time, guys.